Okay, so we're here in the beautiful city of Red Oak, which is about 30 minutes south of downtown Dallas. And we're gonna be touring a model home that has all the bells and whistles already in it, so you can see what it looks like. Plus, this community has some great incentives for home buyers right now, so you don't wanna miss out on that. Plus, in here, you'll have different walking trails, there's a community pool, so much to offer. But with that said, come on with me, let's take a look.
Welcome to today's video. Want to give you a quick look into a model home, give you a full tour. Now typically in this area right here would be the garage, but we're gonna get a full look around everything inside this home so you can get a good feel for it. First thing you notice are these high ceilings. Look at this. All the way up there. Tons of natural light when you come into the room. Flows right into this kitchen area. And it's unique because I like how, you know, in most of my videos, they're vacant. So I have to say, like, where you would put your bar stools and where you would put the table, like the breakfast table and everything like that. So this gives you a better visualization of what that looks like. So you have your whirlpool, gas cooktop. Check the pantry. Pretty decent space in the pantry. But the main thing is how everything just flows into this living room area. Let's go and check out the primary bedroom. I love the green accent on the wall there. And as you can see, everything fits comfortably in this room. You still have the plenty of natural light on that side. And then everything flows right on into the primary bathroom here. Okay, it keeps going. I was like, okay, we need a little bit more space in the closet. It does go all the way down to that side there, so that's cool. Gives you that space. Obviously, these are when like you're choosing what color brick and stuff you want for the house. There's actually some really great opportunities if someone does want to build from the ground up. Give you the opportunity to choose, you know, which lot you want to be on, which type of brick, what type of flooring, what type of cabinets. So it really just depends on what your preference is. Matter of fact, let me ask you, would you be interested in something that's already built, more like an inventory home, or do you prefer to have something that you built from the ground up on your own? You get to choose everything. Which one would you prefer? Please leave me a comment down below. All right, so we're back out in the front here. So you do have your laundry room area. Everything's right here. I like the Wi-Fi and stuff goes in this box. Smart storage is what they call it. Go ahead and put your mudroom area right here, which is nice. Wow, look how deep this is. So you have this space here, but it goes all the way down and around this section here. So you do have a downstairs bedroom, and it's nice because you have this front porch right here, as you can see, with the bench in front. So 2 bedrooms down, 3 bedrooms up. Let's give you an idea of the closet space. I like in this one that you do have a lot of storage. There's different places for storage throughout the home. I think this is the one, the deep one. Yeah, so let's go take a look upstairs. So, upstairs, that's access to your attic and everything. You could just access it here. Obviously, you could just lock this off if you don't want kids playing in there. This is more of like your game room area. I like the little mason jars here with, so you can go ahead and have like a nice little cool drink in the summertime. You got your TV right there. And I like how everything just flows right on into the living room, kitchen area. But we'll start this way. So up here we have more storage. Like I said, this builder's done a great job with having tons of storage throughout the home. You have a nice full bathroom here as well. So this is bedroom number 3. And these are secondary bedrooms, right? So usually you don't see secondary bedrooms this spacious. And also seeing it with the furniture also gives you a little bit more perspective of how it would look with yours. Another thing to consider, it's still a lot of land over here for building, but this home is actually right across from the pool area. Everything's right over there, the community pool. There's like a small little pond area, walking trails. So there's a lot of amenities available with this home. So if this is something that you're interested in, feel free to reach out to me and my team. We would love to assist you. yeah, I really like the different like walking trails in the community. Me and my wife, we take a walk pretty much Monday through Friday, right after we drop the kids off. Just gives us time to like reconnect and do a little dreaming together, you know, because sometimes in life you gotta have something to keep you motivated. So we talk about different goals, different ideas we want to do for date night. Speaking of which, we do have one coming up pretty soon. We're very excited about. I will be putting a little content around it. So it should be good. It should be good. But back to this home, yeah. So it's not only the home, but it's the community pool, it's the playground, there's like a soccer field, there's and then you're right off of 35. So 35 is like one of the main freeways or highways that take you straight up to downtown Dallas. So from here you could probably get there in about 30 minutes, which is really an advantage. So, after Jack and Jill, swing you right on over here. This is probably storage. I haven't looked in here, but yep, storage. Like I said, great job with the storage in this home. I love this big picture window too. How bright it is, open it is. And I like the little openings here where you can go ahead and just place stuff there. You guessed it. More storage. Oh, you know what? Matter of fact, I know you didn't think I was just talking to talk, but yeah, there's that little pond area I was talking about. Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that. Super cool. And you can walk around that little area too. And also like the pool is right there. So like I said, this one definitely has a lot to offer. Not to mention there's some great incentives on this home right now too. So buying a home is a process, you know. It's something that takes time. It's definitely something you don't want to rush. However, you also want to consider if there are opportunities in the market to help you capitalize, that, you know, it's something that you got to strongly consider. Because I do hear buyers saying that they're waiting for interest rates to come down, and I get that. I understand that 100%. However, there are builders out here that are doing 4.9 fixed, 3.9 fixed, 4.5 fixed. Like, so there's some very good opportunities with various builders throughout this community where you can lock in that low interest rate and you're not going to be fighting or competing with other buyers. Like right now, if somebody wanted to buy a home like this, like you could just buy it, which sounds crazy, right? That's how it should be. But when interest rates were in the threes, like when I bought my home, number one, there was a lottery, meaning you had to get you had to get selected. Like a number had to be pulled, and if your number was called, you would have the opportunity to buy a home. That was on new construction. On pre-owned homes, it was just like, okay, look, the house is $350. We already have multiple offers. It's only been on the market one day. How much above $350 can you pay? It was crazy. It was a crazy time, but that's just the reality of the market. So that's why I try to, you know, when I'm working with buyers or sellers, really just to give them perspective on where we're at and to look at the big picture. And for some people, now it's not the right time, and that's perfectly fine. I never try to rush anybody. If you're not ready, we can wait. I'm not going nowhere. My team's not going anywhere. So but yeah, I want to show the backyard, but he's cutting grass. I might just show you from the inside because this is gonna get really loud. But yeah, just wanted to show you this home, get your thoughts on it. right, so first you have your covered patio area there. You know me, I would add that barbecue grill out there. Get that going. But decent size yard, right? Decent yard, covered patio, great location. This home definitely has a lot to offer. So like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and my team. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next home.
Well, hey, that's it for today's home tour. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're planning on moving to the Red Oak area or anywhere throughout the Dallas area, feel free to reach out to me and my team. Our contact information is in the description box. Hey, it doesn't matter if it's 7 days, 7 weeks, or even 7 months from now. Whenever you're ready, we would love to help you make your next move, your best move here in Red Oak or anywhere throughout the Dallas area. Once again, my name is Brandon Small. Thank you so much for watching. Let's make it happen.